you can hear me, but here we are today in front of the office, and as you can tell, this concrete pad is in pretty rough shape, and we have Eric here. We would typically be using a surface cleaner for this, but it's with our other crew on a job right now. So we're using hot water up to 220 degrees. And as you can see, it's cutting right through that. And there is a noticeable difference between what's dirty and what's clean. Now, this water is coming from the hoses, which, if you look over here, it's connected to our trailer back there. And that trailer has 125 gallons of water, which is suffice for most cleaning projects. A pressure washer, and on the other side, that yellow thing is known as our hot box. That's actually what's heating the water. It can range anywhere from 180 to 220, depending on the circumstances. But this is what the pad looks like. So you see how dirty it is, and of course it's all beaten up. And when we get complete with this project, this thing's gonna look pretty much brand new, except for where the cracks are, of course. And we'll have some more videos to follow. Okay, we're gonna take some video from inside now so you can hear me a lot better. And Eric is just doing this as a demonstration to see how our pressure washing unit and the heat eats right through all that grime and dirt. I'm gonna probably guesstimate that this right here probably has never been cleaned before. This concrete pad, from the looks of it, is probably upwards of 15 to 20 years old. So that's 15 to 20 years worth of disgusting filth that's on there. And our services at Squeegee Clean are designed to restore this into basically a brand new concrete pad. Now, assuming it wasn't all beat up and chunked up with cracks, the parking pad in front of the headquarters at Squeegee Clean will look pretty darn good when it's all clean. And don't get me wrong, it's gonna look good anyway, just by what we're doing here. So as you can see, Eric, as a demonstration, is eating right through that stuff. And so I don't know if you were able to hear me before, but we would typically use a surface cleaner for situations like this. What we have is basically it's a 24-inch round cleaner with a spinning head on it that has two nozzles. The same thing that this pressure washing nozzle is doing right there would be on a spinning head, and so it covers more ground, and you don't get the up spray. See how that water spray is spraying everywhere and the wind's taking it? When you do it with the surface cleaner, because of how low it is to the ground, that spray is non-existent. So we're gonna come over here now. See, you're looking through a screen, so the view isn't the best. But that right there is a great description of what 220 degree water and an experienced pressure washer will be able to do for you. There isn't even any chemical on this that we're using. This is just all water. So give us a call if you're in need of these services to restore your concrete. Go out here and see if I can get another view of this thing.